The Ganesh Festival of India. Explained. Ganesh Festival, also known as Ganesh Chaturthi, is a cherished Hindu celebration that honors Lord Ganesha, the revered elephant-headed deity symbolizing wisdom, prosperity, and new beginnings. This significant festival is a harmonious blend of tradition, devotion, and festivity, resonating deeply within the hearts of devotees across India and beyond. Ganesh Festival illuminates the cultural landscape with its fervor, marking the joyous occasion of Lord Ganesha's birth, typically falling in the months of August or September in the Gregorian calendar. The roots of Ganesh Festival delve into captivating mythologies. As the stories go, goddess Parvati crafted Ganesha using clay, sculpting a form to guard her during her absence. An unintended yet pivotal event unfolded when Ganesha, her creation, positioned himself as a barrier between Shiva and Parvati. What transpired was a heart-wrenching event. Shiva, unaware of Ganesha's identity, beheaded him. Amidst the sorrow of Ganesha's beheading emerges a tale of remarkable transformation. Fueled by compassion and divine power, Shiva orchestrates a wondrous metamorphosis. Ganesha's human head, a victim of tragedy, is replaced with the majestic head of an elephant, a symbol radiating strength, sagacity, and grace. Ganesh Festival commences on the auspicious day of Ganesh Chaturthi. This day marks the installation of elaborately crafted clay idols of Lord Ganesha in homes, public spaces, and temporary pandals. Devotees engage in thorough cleaning of their surroundings, adorning traditional attire as they prepare to welcome the deity. Throughout the festival's course, devotees immerse themselves in rituals and prayers, seeking Ganesha's blessings for prosperity, wisdom, and success. The deity is offered modak, sweet dumplings, coconut, fruits, and flowers. The air becomes saturated with the aroma of incense, intertwined with the soul-stirring melodies of devotional songs during collective prayers. Public celebrations elevate Ganesh Festival into a vibrant spectacle. Elaborate pandals showcase intricate idols of Lord Ganesha, often echoing cultural themes or contemporary issues. These pandals transform into hubs of community interaction, hosting cultural performances, musical renditions, and dance exhibitions. Devotees converge to seek blessings and immerse themselves in the tapestry of creativity and spirituality. The festival culminates in the poignant Visarjan, where Ganesh idols are immersed in water bodies. This ritual signifies bidding farewell to the deity, expressing deep gratitude for his benevolent presence, and extending an invitation for his return in the following year. Amidst spirited processions characterized by music and dance, the idols find their final resting place in the waters, a poignant symbol of cyclical renewal. The significance of Ganesh Festival transcends geographical confines. Across the globe, communities of Indian descent come together to honor this sacred occasion. From the bustling streets of Mumbai to the vibrant diasporic communities, the festival fosters unity, camaraderie, and spiritual devotion. Ganesh Festival encapsulates the essence of Hindu culture, interweaving tradition, spirituality, and artistic expression. With its dynamic processions, heartfelt rituals, and creative expositions, the festival stands as a testament to the profound reverence for Lord Ganesha and the jubilant commemoration of life's fresh beginnings. As devotees warmly invite Ganesha into their lives, Ganesh Festival resonates with hope, unity, and unwavering faith.